Hey guys, it's Kaif Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is day 181 to 182 in log for 5 year journey, and I hope you are doing well. So give me 1 minute. So basically today was a great day and I do some meditation. I also do some affirmations, and I really want to tell you something. If you understand this, these things are all connected. You need to remember it. From this, I hope you understand this, then this, then this, then this. These are all connected, and the thing that is producing and marketing them are this social media. For social media, you get this, you get urge of this. After you when you see this, you will also find this, and this also get connected with this, and also this. So I'm not telling the name because YouTube will restricted it. So hope that you will understand it, and that's it. I will explain it on another video, and I hope that you are doing well. At the end, I will and I do.